my combi microwave oven with air fryer functions, the Daewoo microwave. As you see, it looks like it's actually off, but it's not. It's an economical one. You press that and it comes on. It's got a home fryer instead of using a fryer, like with all the oil, which I find quite dangerous. Like, always worried if I leave it on. This is really handy because obviously you don't have to use oil with the chips. You can just put a tiny bit on it. You can put other stuff in it, like frozen fish, cook loads of different stuff. You can do an auto cook on here, which gives you different things like roast pork, beef. You've got the microwave option, the combi option, the convention option, the grill option, the defrost, and it's also got a steam cleaner, so if you want to clean it and everything, which I think is really good. And like, you put some water in there and you press that and it does the cycle, and then you just wipe it out with a cloth, really easy. And then as you can see inside, it's got the glass dish, and it's quite a big size microwave as well. Like, it goes quite far back, heats up really well, and then you've got different bits to put in there as well. You've got the metal plate for different things, like for like oven parts and that when you're cooking, and then you've got this for, say, like pizzas and whatnot, like with the oven or the grill. And then obviously you also got as well is the fryer part. You place that on there, and it's got, like, as you can see, a vent bit that goes all the way down. And you just place things on top of there with say chips. You make sure they're evenly spread out, and the manual, it comes with a manual, as you can see, and it gives you all the times for certain things, and then how to cook things. As you can see, like the home fryer menu, you get like what keys to press to display. It says what you're actually cooking and how many times you have to turn it over, if you have to turn it over, if you can throw the weight, and how long you actually cook it for. So the manual is actually really helpful in the thing, and I really do like this microwave. It's brilliant. My old one was so simple with just a microwave, whereas this, you can do everything. If you don't want to put the cooker on and you just want to do something little, then you can just do it in this. And like, say, you can cook chips, and I find it much safer to do the chips in this microwave. And I really do love this microwave. And like I say, it's got a nice handle on it, opens really easy, and that. And then you obviously got the each symbols on there with the numbers for the auto cook. I think that's 4 as well. Yeah, for the auto cook and that. And this is my review of my Daewoo microwave.